In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal to Wise account. We'll walk through the exact flow inside Wise to generate the details you need, and then use those details in PayPal to complete the transfer smoothly. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to copy, and what to expect. Start by opening your Wise account and clicking Add Money. This is where you tell Wise what you want to top up. Choose the currency you want to receive, then enter the amount you plan to move from PayPal. Take a moment here to make sure the currency matches how you want the funds to land, because choosing the right one can help you avoid unnecessary conversion fees. Next, when Wise asks how you'll pay, select Bank Transfer. This option is designed for moving money into Wise from another account, and it's the one that gives you the bank details you'll need. Click Continue. Wise will now display the bank information specific to your account. This typically includes the account name, account number, or IBAN, and depending on your region, a sort code or routing number, and sometimes a payment reference. These details are unique to you, so copy them carefully and keep them secure. Now, switch over to your PayPal account and sign in. Use the bank details you just copied from Wise to send the funds from your PayPal balance to those exact details. Be sure the name on the account matches your own. Select the same currency and amount you chose in Wise, and if Wise provided a reference, paste it exactly as shown. Small typos can delay a transfer, so double-check everything before confirming in PayPal. Once you've initiated the transfer in PayPal, go back to Wise and click I've made my bank transfer. This tells Wise to look out for your payment. Transfers sent by bank usually aren't instant. Depending on your region and banking hours, it may take from a few minutes to a couple of business days. Wise will update the status as soon as the money arrives, and you'll often receive a notification when it's credited. A few quick tips as you wait. Keep your Wise tab or app open until you've marked the transfer as sent. Save a screenshot of the Wise bank details and your PayPal confirmation for your records. And remember that fees and processing times can vary by currency and country. And there you go. By using Add Money in Wise, choosing Bank Transfer, copying your Wise bank details, sending from PayPal to those details, and confirming in Wise, you've completed the process from start to finish. That's all.